Visual communication is a human resources management technique which consists of equipping companies with a system of information and communication through posters, communicative signage, symbols and informative notices with a highly visual and conceptual impact. Signage is applicable to industrial establishments, offices, warehouses and every type of company building. It takes in the productive process, indicates the location of the productive zones and creates a corporate identity for the different units of the business. These are projects whose objectives are to transmit messages, create or change a company culture, to take on or visualize human, company or more intangible values, which act as the invisible engine of the company. The main aim of signage is to create a visual communication environment in which the global nature of the production process and of the job is reflected for a better understanding of the workers, bringing the intangible values to fruition. This aims to show clients, visitors and people from outside the company the identity, functions, mission and contribution of each unit of production together and the company's mission as a whole. To highlight and to make the message clear as to the direction that the company wants to take as reference for all its personnel. Signage is an important motivating factor for factory workers, office employees and managers, for all of them to be aware of their mission and role within the company. Signage is the top-of-the-range internal communication tool as it leads to immediate fulfillment and absorption of the messages it is conveying, both consciously and subconsciously. The creation of a corporate identity with pictograms and colours for each department, unit or section linked to the corporate image of the company reinforces the corporate consciousness. Visual communication allows for the development of programs such as internal communication, security and hygiene in the workplace, employee motivation, optimization of client and supplier management. Visual communication acts as a top-of-the-range management tool. It increases the perception of value added to the company, of its products, of its directive team, and its employees and operatives. The introduction of visual communication programs suggests a step in the right direction inside companies, provoking a flux of communication and responses from employees.